Encouraging good habits in our children is one of the best ways to equip them for a healthy future. Wiltshire Council has taken the community health message to mums, dads and school children in an innovative scheme that makes the school run fun. Joanna Simpson has more.
Bethany and Gemma's family are among thousands across Wiltshire who signed up to change the way they get to school. For 6 weeks they swapped the car for their Beat the Street cards.
Right, swipe away.
Swiping on the boxes shows the Haynes family, along with dog Bella, walk to school and let them collect points. Both here in Devizes and in Caen, 14% of the population signed up to the scheme. Beat the Street aimed to encourage families across the county to leave their cars at home.
And how many points have we got altogether?
The children could log in online to see just how well they were doing individually and as part of St Joseph's Primary School.
276,740.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
The points translate into prizes for pupils and money for the library, with many of the prizes donated by local businesses.
Before, I used to just sit in my car, but now I'm just scooting to school, walking to school, and it makes me much happier, and yeah, it just helps the world around us.
I always used to get my granddad to drive me to school, but now I always walk to school or ride to school on my scooter.
I used to always go in the car with my mum, but now I cycle a lot and walk.
On your marks, get set, go!
Teachers here say the scheme had a positive effect on the children in a variety of ways.
The children are coming in more enthusiastic, they're a lot less tired because they're doing exercise, they're getting up earlier so they could do this by the time they get to school. They're awake, they're active. When they're doing PE especially, they seem a lot more fitter, ready to go and just willing to learn in PE.
The idea was to inspire local people to change the way they make short journeys, but also had several other benefits.
We were keeping large numbers of the population healthy. They got into the habit of walking to and from school, to and from the shops, to the leisure centre and back, things that they might have got in the car for, which we were trying to stop. But the last thing, which was quite interesting, is there were friendships formed, and those friendships are still going.
Finewell Primary School in Caen was one of the first to adopt the Beat the Street campaign. Initially, it was set up to tackle air pollution and is also helping reduce childhood obesity. But the reason people are signing up is simply because it's fun.
I thought it was an excellent idea. It got the kids out, got us out as a family, and otherwise they wouldn't have done as much exercise. So no, I thought it was really good.
Usually it's a good idea for the kids to go out for a walk and you get halfway around, oh, I'm tired, I want to go home now, but no, it kept them bouncing, it kept them enthused all the way through it.
Over the 6 weeks, participants doubled the distance the council expected them to reach, more than 140,000 miles.
Well, I think people will do things if they're fun. Children will do things if they're fun. But actually, we've got to make activities, the healthy activities, more fun than the sitting behind computers playing games. And this project has really captured the imagination. Everyone's been so excited to get their credit card style and beep on the streets. And it's really encouraged all walks of life to get out there and get a little bit more active.
The target was to walk the distance of going around the world 3 times, but the community reached it in just 3 weeks. Wiltshire Council says the Beat the Street scheme changed the way more than 8,000 people did the school run. It's now assessing whether this is having a lasting impact and how the scheme can be developed in future years.